Okay, so what we got going on today, just doing a little timing belt on a Toyota. But I wanted to give you a quick tool review. And what this is called, I'll shoot a little bit close to me, let me get you out here a little ways. This is called the Reach, TITE REACH. This is just my good old Milwaukee TITE REACH. So you can put a 3/8 drive on it and then another socket. And you'll probably see people, putting something like right here. And then they've got the socket on there like that. Well, obviously you can do that with any wrench. But what you have here, down back behind this mount, that thing slid down in there. Right back behind there is one of the bolts for the timing belt cover, which is what I'm trying to get taken off. You can't see it right there. And if you go too far, one good thing is you can turn your ratchet and run the bolt back in. And then you can slowly move that up out of the way. Now that's what I think about a tool review, a better review. You can use shorter sockets on this. Of course this is a small socket, but like some of the sockets I have are even shorter. And of course that comes right off. And of course there's the old famous 10mm. Didn't lose it yet. Anyway, so that's just a quick review of how you can get into these tight places. Like for this timing belt job, that's kind of what I'm going to need. So I just wanted to do a quick review of that. And of course it's called the TITE REACH. Those on it, TITE REACH. Now I bought this one from a distributor called Kimball Midwest. They seem to be a pretty good company, fairly reasonably priced on a lot of stuff, so give them a shout. There's our 800 number if you want to give them a quick shout out and see if they can sell something like that to you. I don't remember the exact cost of this, but I think it was pretty reasonable considering several other tool trucks and tool peddlers have this same type of thing, and their prices were a little higher. So anyway, quick thumbs up for you, and back to work.